and I needed to start with a lighter grit and then move up. I'm guessing, because on the back of this it says 80 grit, remove old layers of paint, and that's what I want to do. And then when you move up to 120 grit, you smooth mild surfaces and imperfections. That's the next step. And then 220 grit, final surface sanding before painting or repainting. So I needed to start at 80. Okay, so it's pretty simple actually. The different colors coordinate with the grit on the sandpaper. So the green one is the 80 grit, and I have 2 of those. So I'm sanding, and that looks like a face, right? Look. Is that a face? Or is that just the way the paint is coming out? Wow. I'm glad I finally got started on this project. Progress. I got a lot done today.